All right, this video is how to use the grid sizing function. First of all, you have to be either in this grid, which is the one I prefer, that gives me, my stars and my ability to flag or check them, or this grid here. Either way, you have to be in one of these. If you're in this, you'll notice it changes the option down here. Now, if I come and I hit this grid, we go back to our sizing option, and you're going to notice that it's basically an ascending triangle this way, and right now I've got it on the farthest expansion, but if I pull it down, it minimizes all of these and it puts more photos in my screen. Now this is great if you got good vision, but if you don't have good vision, I recommend opening it all the way up to here so that you can see your photos a little bit better. Now you can also do it with this grid here. If I click on it, you'll see the same thing. I just pull it down and it makes it smaller, smaller, and smaller. And then if I push it this way, it makes it, you got to put my cursor on it to do it, and it pulls it this way. So you put your cursor right on the little bar, and you press down, you hold it, and you slide it to the left to make them smaller, and then you can slide it to the right, keeping pressure on your mouse to make it larger. You put your cursor right on that grid size. See, it says grid size now? That's what you want. Then I press down on it, and I can make it smaller, or I can make it larger. Now you'll notice that whenever you put your cursor over something, you get that little extra information. Right here it's showing you grid size. So that tells you that changes your grid size, if you didn't know. All right. You can also change the size by putting your cursor halfway through and making one click on your mouse, and it brings the slider all the way to that spot. You can make it at the end, 3/4 through, or at the beginning. It's up to you. It's hard on the left-hand end because there's not a lot to click on. But if you play with it, you should be able to find it and be able to do it. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use Lightroom, Photoshop Lightroom. Peace out.